Thank you for purchasing the RV Entry Door Friction Hinge Kit from Lippert Components. This video will guide you through the installation process. You will need the following to complete the installation. 1 to 2 people, depending on the task. A cordless or electric drill or screw gun. Appropriate drive bits. 11 64-inch drill bit if you are choosing to pre-drill holes in the hinge prior to installation. And a non-permanent method of marking. First, find the center space between the top hinge and the middle hinge on the outer frame and mark this spot. Spread open the hinge leaves that attach to the outer frame from the leaves that attach to the core of the door, far enough to install on the door. Use the provided template and instructions to mark or pre-drill the locations for the additional fastener holes required for leaves 1, 3, and 5. Find the center of the hinge and place it on the center mark made on the outer frame between the top and middle hinges, making sure to use the proper leaves for the outer frame. Screw the hinge to the outer frame through the existing hole on leaves 1, 3, and 5, using the 1 3/4 inch fasteners. Screw the additional required fasteners in leaves 1, 3, and 5 to the outer frame using the pre-drilled holes or marked location from the template. Repeat these steps for the second friction hinge, which is installed between the middle and bottom existing hinges. Now screw leaves 2 and 4 to the core of the door using the 3 holes and provided 1 3/4 inch fasteners. Also, when screwing leaves 2 and 4 to the core of the door, make sure the leaves are tight to the door, which requires compressing the bulb seal. Once all of the leaves are installed, test the function of the door. For any troubleshooting questions, contact Lippert Components customer service at 574-537-8900 or support@support.lci1.com or email to customerservice@lci1.com. Be sure to download the My LCI app. Thanks for watching.